Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I have another supplement video to share with you. It's a little order that I placed with Four Sigmatic. Four Sigmatic is, in my mind, almost like a holistic, all natural, vegan, paleo, Whole30 approved way of providing nourishment or adaptogenic type of properties to your body. So I really like this company. It's Reishi mushroom driven, but then they're mushroom driven. So they source various different types of mushrooms that target different purposes, and they have different properties and effects along with other different herbs and spices to create blends that is going to help you target specific things that you're trying to achieve in your diet or in your health. So it came like this: Four Sigmatic Open Everyday Magic. I really like the color. I think this is the first thing that's arrived at the outer shipping packaging. It's just vibrant and it just screams open me. They are, to me, I think they're priced relatively appropriate. They are sold on Thrive Market, and I picked them up in Whole Foods, but some of the things that's in my order is not available at my local Whole Foods. I'll list the company website in the description box below, as well as the links to each item featured in this video and its corresponding price point. There was a glitch with my order, and I was wondering why in God's name I hadn't received a tracking number. I reached out to them and experienced one of the most pleasant customer service experiences that I've had in a while. The young lady who helped me got right on it. She found the problem. She corrected the problem. When she responded back, it wasn't your typical customer service response. We're going to look into the situation. We'll get back with you kind of thing. When she responded, she was responding with resolution. They even refunded me 15% of the cost of my order for the delayed shipping and the issue surrounding why the shipping was delayed. And they even put in a little free sample pack, which I have bought this. I do buy them, and they run anywhere. If they're not on sale for $1.99, they can run as up to $3.50 for one single serving packet. I saw this on Bobby Approved Protein Powders video. If it's not some weird YouTube copyright issue, I'll link his video to his protein powders in the description box below, so you can get a feel of who Bobby is and who I'm always talking about. But when he did a protein powder review video, and he also did a Whole Foods tour when he was in Texas, he talked about Four Sigmatic Superfood Protein, Repair with Protein and Mushroom Protein Powder. Now, this has 15 servings. I believe it ran about $43, something like that, on the site. Again, refer to the description box for the link and the price. And this thing is clean. It is clean to the bone. Let me try to back up some and see if I can come a little bit closer. And this has no natural flavorings or anything like that. It is organic lucuma powder, organic coconut palm sugar, pink Himalayan salt, organic cinnamon powder, organic monk fruit extract, and then all those yummy things that you can see there. So ashwagandha root, everything's organic. The protein blend is organic pea protein, hemp, chia, pumpkin, and coconut protein powders. It's what makes up the protein portion of it, the blend, and it's 28 grams, you guys, of protein. There's 150 milligrams of potassium, and you just get a little bit of everything. So I was super eager to try it. The only thing I would say I'm a little bummed about is that it's only 15 servings. However, I will say, sidebar to that, is Garden of Life Fit protein powder, which is another like in the marketplace or shelf grabbable type of protein powder that I like. That one has natural flavoring in it, which Bobby do not approve, and he do have a natural flavors video explaining what it is and why he don't stand behind it. I can link that video in the description box for your reference below. I don't want to spend too much more time on this. However, I was saying that to say the Fit by Garden of Life come into 2 sizes, and the one that's around the same price point only give you 10 servings. So I think it's priced for the market, I guess, right, even though it's a little high. As you can see, it's gluten-free, no stevia, and it's vegan. And then that's just another, and I love that it gives you a flavor profile and information, so you can kind of gauge what kind of taste you're fixing to come in contact with and how you would like to pair it with something else, or how you would like to sweeten it. So I'm very, very excited to have that. The next thing I have here is for Sigmatic Adaptogen Blend Mix Balance with 10 Superfoods. Now this has 30 servings, this can here. It's 2.2 ounces, 60 grams. And then this is the ingredient profile on it. And I love that regardless to the size, scoops are included. Thumbs up for Sigmatic on that, because everyone don't have teaspoons and tablespoons in their home, and they encourage you to recycle. I really do like that. And then it gives you so much information on the package, so you're not going into this thing blindly. And it also gives you a flavor note, so you can know what to expect, or how to, I don't want to say season it to taste, but how to make it work for you. And then there are some warnings, you know. Next thing we have here is for Sigmatic Mushroom Blend Mix. Shield with 10 mushrooms. This is another 2.2 12-ounce container, 60 grams, 30 servings. And the appropriate information based on that blend. Now this one states it's earthy plus bitter, so you would know if you don't like bitter that how you would want to sweeten it up. And then I love that this is what I blended with today, and I have in my traveler's mug. And this has cordyceps, lion's mane, shiitake, maitake, another mushroom I can't pronounce, a couple of other things I can't pronounce, but hopefully you can see it. Risha, changa, rose hips, and the different milligrams in there. And they didn't really skimp. They did pretty nice for this to be an overall blend. And then it's vegan and paleo friendly. Your warnings, their website, contact information. Awesome sauce, you know what I'm saying, guys? And let me just, since this one's already, and then this had like a seal thing that you had to peel it back. So I really, really do like the packaging and keeping it secure. And it does encourage the buyer to have it stored in a cool, kind of cool, dark place. So you want to treat these how you would loose leaf teas. This is my free sample with the, she's tossed in a little freebie. And this is good. This is like a nice healthy version of milk chocolate. You can add, you know, some caramel sauce or whatever you want to make it really nice. But it is good. I do tend to put a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of ginger, and a little bit of fresh cinnamon in it. And I also put a little bit of grass-fed, grass-finished organic milk in there as well. And it's very pleasant. It's a nice treat without having to feel guilty. And hopefully this comes across on camera. And then the last thing, now this I didn't learn about until I saw, I think his name is Tyler? I don't know. I'll link his channel below too. And I seen in the background he was doing like one of these drink mixes. And I was like, get the hell out of here. I didn't know for Sigmatic made a matcha powder. And this has lion's mane and ginger in it. And because I work early mornings and sometimes just need a pick-me-up, this has 20 servings in it. I wanted to try their version of matcha powder as well. And then down there, which you might can't see, it says organic matcha green powder, organic lion's mane extract, organic Gunta cola, and organic ginger powder. So I had mixed this with this morning. I hope I can't see, together. And then I used 1 scoop of that guy to get the 10 grams. I think this has, yes, 10 grams of protein. As you can see, I need to wipe it off. And then I used a little bit of this because I mentioned it in the Vitals protein video, which I can link in the description box below so you can see that order. And this is the tea that I put in at the end. This was under $90. I think I'm happy with everything. I'll try the protein powder out today. I'm saving it because I got some other supplements I want to blend with it. But yeah, I definitely will be ordering from them again. She had already gotten my order out. I mean, she was awesome. So yeah, if you're interested in giving Four Sigmatic a try, like I said, you can find them on Thrive Market. They're at Whole Foods, Amazon Prime, and their actual website, which contains, you know, more products than you'll probably find a little here and a little there. Thanks for watching my video, you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will respond and answer to you in a timely fashion. And refer to the description box for any additional detailed information or any reference channels or previous recorded videos. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to thumb up. I really would appreciate it if you guys would give me a little thumb up. I would like that so very much. And if you like this particular type of content or unboxing videos, then consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my channel. Bye, everyone. Peace.